Hi there. Let's play through The Longest Night of the Year by Mary Chapin Carpenter. Please feel free to review the tutorial if you need to. We are just diving right in here with our guitar strum. We'll do a little warm-up with that guitar strum. Just remember, anytime we split the bar here, we're just going 1, 2, 3, 4. Just those thumb strums, the first two beats of each cycle of that strum pattern. But just to find our way into it, get our tempo. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1. Here's the intro. F, C to G, F, C to G, F to A minor, split it. Here's verse 1. They say that spring will come again. No one knows exactly when. Still the sun's a long lost friend on the longest night of the year. We stare into the firelight while December beats outside, where the darkest hearts reside on the longest night of the year. Chorus. So keep me safe and hold me tight. Let the candle burn all night. Tomorrow welcome back the light. It was the longest night of the year. Verse 2. I used to think the world was small, bright and shining like a ball. Seems I don't know much at all. The longest night of the year. We press our faces to the glass and see our little lives go past. Wave to shadows that we cast on the longest night of the year. Chorus. So keep me safe and hold me tight. Let the candle burn all night. Tomorrow welcome back the light on the longest night of the year. Let's just take the intro chords here. Verse 3, it's the short one. Make a vow when solstice comes to find the light in everyone. Keep the faith and bang the drum on the longest night of the year. Chorus. Keep me safe and hold me tight. Let the candle burn all night. Tomorrow welcome back the light on the longest night of the year. Once more. Keep me safe and hold me tight. Let the candle burn all night. Tomorrow welcome back the light. It was the longest night of the year. End on G. Lovely job. Come on back, practice with me anytime. Remember, you can slow it down by clicking that settings wheel and playback speed. You can also, just to get used to that strum pattern, leave out the chords. Just mute your strings and follow along with the strum pattern you need for each part. Likewise, you can leave the strumming out and just work on your chord progression. So lots of opportunities here for practice. Pick the challenge that works for you and enjoy. See you next time.